Hi guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Today I'd like to chat to you about this tone and probe kit that we now have on offer. Just want to show you very briefly how it works. So it does come with a very nice carry bag, and here is your seeker and here is your tone generator. Now what's lacquer about the tone generator, it's got these very nice cable clips for clipping it onto unterminated wire, but it also has this. So you just simply click it in there and you can connect up a barrel if you want to trace coaxial cable, or if you want to trace a network cable, simply click that in there and then you would plug that directly onto your RJ45 cable, connector and cable. So you would simply turn it on, there we go, and if I simply press this button, makes a loud noise, so you would be able to trace the cable amongst other cables, or a big cables running into a roof or into a patch panel. You'll be able to identify which cable you're looking for exactly. If you guys got any questions or comments, please feel free to get in touch with us and let us know how we can help you. Have a great day.